How to hard reset Oppo A5 2025.
Step 1. At first, disable the smartphone by holding the power button.
Step 2. Secondly, push the power button and volume down simultaneously.
Step 3. Release the power button when the logo appears, but keep holding the volume down button. Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset.
After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use.
Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.